Welcome to the informative new Lenovo TAB M8, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and now in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, we should tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, and now near green Apple keyboard, we should tap once on the switcher, tap twice to OK, and click to go back. Then tap to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's go. For example, do the search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.